lovely. Oh God. Let's start that over. Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. It's Charmaine here. For those of you that are new and don't know my name, I'm Charmaine, and today's video is another selling video. I have a customer from Let Go, and she's purchasing 2 items from me. Before I get into the items, if you have anything at all laying around the home and you're thinking of throwing it out, don't. Sell it. I'm telling you, just because you don't need it or want it anymore, it doesn't mean that somebody else won't find it useful and you can make a couple dollars. It's such an easy way to make money. You can post it on Let Go, Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, any of those buy sell sites. But if you do meet somebody, make sure that you meet them in a public place. I want y'all to be safe. So on to the items. The first item are a set of lashes, and I'm selling them for $3. They're synthetic lashes. I'll just turn my light down so you can see. I got them from Forever 21 and I never use them. They're pretty lashes and all, but they've been in my cupboard for honestly, like, I would say 3 years. So yeah, they need to go. The next item that I have is really sweet. I'm not gonna take it out of the package, but let me just turn my light down. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but that's a necklace right there. And it says, "Drive safe, I need you here with me." And I actually bought it as a set. It came with a keychain as well, which I gave to my boyfriend, because for those of you that might be new watching, you probably don't know that my boyfriend lives in Philadelphia and I live in Ottawa, Canada. So we're long distance and we drive to see each other. I'm very cheesy. So that's why I bought him the keychain. I need him safe, right, on his journeys. Love you, Juju. The story was actually quite touching with my customer. I'll just fill you in a little bit. I had another customer that wanted the same necklace, but she never kind of got back to me to finalize a date on when to meet. And so this one messaged me and she's like, "Oh, I'd really like it." And I said, "Ooh, well, I might be meeting the person. It's not final, but I might be meeting the person for it tomorrow." And she goes, "I'll pay you double." And I can't remember if I mentioned I'm selling it for $5. So she said she'd pay me double for it. And the reason that she really wanted it is because the day before, yesterday, she got into a car accident with her boyfriend. Pretty bad one, so it really has meaning. And she logged in to Let Go this morning and my item like just popped up right there, which is really, really weird. So she really wants it. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell it. I almost shed a tear, man. Like, I'm getting soft in my old age, I swear to God. But anyways, that is way too much rambling. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with the money. There's nothing that I really want. Listen, I just paid my income tax, okay? I'm broke, so I shouldn't be spending at all. But if I do, I'll let you know what I did with the money. So my question to you before I meet my customer is, would you have sold these 2 items or would you have kept them for yourself? Let me know in the comments below. So that's everything that I have to say so far. Like I said, if I buy something, I'll come back to you. If not, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.